Hello dear children, today we will start our lesson number 3, parts of a computer. Children, as your body is having several parts such as legs, hands, ears, nose, eyes, all these parts are helping your body to move and to work. Similarly, a computer is having its several parts which are helping it to work. For example, system unit, keyboard, mouse and monitor. All these parts are essential for computer which helps it to work. So now in this chapter we are studying about the parts of a computer. A computer is an electronic machine. It needs instructions or data called input to do the task. So children, as you know that computer is an electronic machine and it needs instructions or data to perform any of the tasks. The instructions or data we are giving to the computer is known as input. To take input, process it and provide result output, computer needs the following devices. So the process of computer is to take input, then process it, and then it provides us the result. So for doing all this process, the computer needs following devices, that are input devices, processing devices and output devices. So now we will study about them one by one. Now input devices, the devices that are used for giving instructions to the computer are called input devices. So the devices which are used for giving instructions to the computer are known as input devices. For example, keyboard. A keyboard is used to type text on the computer. It has many keys for typing alphabet, numbers and symbols. So keyboard is an input device which is used to type text on the computer, and it has many keys to type for typing alphabet, numbers and symbols on it. Mouse. A mouse helps in pointing at and selecting items on the computer screen. It usually has two buttons and a scroll wheel. Mouse is helping us to pointing out something on the computer screen or selecting items, or it is having two buttons and a scroll wheel. Microphone. A microphone helps you in entering voice instructions into the computer. You can also record your voice on the computer using this device. So microphone is helping you to enter your voice instructions to the computer, or you can also record your voice on the computer using this device. Scanner. A scanner allows you to scan text and other graphics printed on paper and stores them on the computer. The scanner is helping you to scan text or other graphics or print, and it prints it on the paper or stores them in the computer. Now some other input devices are joystick, touchpad, touchscreen, graphic tablet, memory card reader, barcode reader, biometric device, webcam, smart card reader. Now we will study about processing device. What are processing device? The central processing unit is called the processing device of the computer. So CPU is known as the processing device of a computer. It processes the instructions to generate results. It is placed inside the system unit. So what is the work of processing device? It processes the instruction to generate results, to give the output, and it is placed inside the system unit, that is the CPU. The system unit also holds some other internal parts such as the motherboard, power supply, memory chip, hard disk and DVD drive. So system unit also having some internal parts which are known as motherboard, power supply, memory chip, hard disk and DVD drive. So internal parts of system unit are motherboard, power supply, the figure is given here, memory chip, hard disk and DVD drive. So all these are the internal parts of system unit, and this is our system unit. Now output devices. What are output devices? The devices that are used to provide the result to the user are called output devices. The devices which are helping us to get the result are known as output devices. A headphone allows you to listen to music or other audio files without disturbing anyone else. So here headphone is an output device because it is helping us to listen to music or audio files without disturbing anyone else. It gives us the output in the form of music. And monitor is also output device. The monitor shows whatever you do on the computer. It is also called the visual display unit. So monitor is known as the visual display unit. Speaker. Speakers allow you to listen to music and other audio files on the computer. So speaker is helping us to you to listen to music and other audio files. Printer. A printer prints the output on paper. You can take black and white or color printouts from a printer. So printer is helping you to print anything on the paper. You can take it black and white, or you can also use the color printer. Now in this you have to, one activity is given here, encircle the input devices of a computer. So in this figure you have to encircle the input devices. So this is a homework you have to do by yourself in your textbook. Now you should not touch the computer. You should remember that you should not touch the computer screen and other parts of a computer with dirty hands. So children, you have to remember that you should not touch your computer with your dirty hands. Now our chapter is finished. Now let us recall some keywords which we have used in the chapter. Input devices. The devices that are used for giving instructions to the computer are known as input devices. CPU. The processing unit that processes input instructions to generate results is known as CPU. Output devices. The devices that provide the result generated by the processor to the user is known as output devices. So this chapter is finished. Hope you understand. Complete your exercise from the PDF given along with this and try to learn that. Thank you.